If you're experiencing problems with your current air conditioner, or if your AC is so old and inefficient that bills keep adding up, you definitely want to look at a new system. But where do you start? Well, when considering a new air conditioner, it's important to remember that not all air conditioners are created equal, and there are different options available. There are window units, which are often used for temporary installations, in-wall units, which are typically used in condos, and central air units, which are usually found in homes. If your home has an existing furnace, then a central AC unit will be your best option, as they're extremely efficient, saving both energy and money. Now, once you've landed on the system type, you want to consider 5 key areas: the brand, output capacity, installation, rebates, and lastly, how to maximize the life of your equipment. When purchasing a new AC, you want to choose a trusted system that will stand up to years of use, is reliable, efficient, cost-effective, and if something does happen, you need to know that the parts and service are easily available. At Reliance Home Comfort, we work with the top brands in the industry. An air conditioner has to be sized for your home. A Reliance Home Comfort advisor will help you choose the best option by considering your total square footage, sun exposure, the age of your home and its insulation, and how energy efficient you're looking for the system to be. To get the most benefit out of a new system, you want to make sure it's installed properly. So you want to hire an installation team that is well-trained, experienced, and professional. After all, you're placing your home comfort in their hands. A Reliance installation team will be able to ensure that your HVAC is properly installed in order to maximize comfort, longevity, and efficiency. Depending on the unit you choose and the area that you live in, there may be government mail-in rebates and incentives available that can help you save money. During an in-home consultation, the Reliance Home Comfort Advisor will discuss the programs available to you. And lastly, you want to have an understanding of what your new equipment will require in terms of regular service and maintenance to make sure you get the maximum lifetime value from your system. Remember, if you need a new air conditioner, call on Reliance to schedule time with a Reliance Home Comfort Advisor. You can count on our expertise to assess your home and make sure that you get the right solution for your family.